Hello everyone, today I will show you how to run second order backlink in Tekla Structural Designer. You use the second order backlink to check the backlink shape of the structure or of the element. You can check the global and local backlink. Click on the second order backlink. Select load combination you want to run in second order backlink. I suggest you select 1 or 2 or 3 load cache and load combination. If you select it all, you will take more longer time to complete the analysis because it's the second order. It's not the first order and take your time too much to complete this analysis, maybe 1 or 2 hours. I suggest you use the load combination contain the gravity load, and the second use the combination with the lateral load in direction 1, and third combination include lateral load in direction 2. Yeah, the gravity load, lateral load in direction 1 and lateral load in direction 2. You find which one is the maximum load combination and select the 3 load combination is enough for calculate the second order backlink. Do not select all. Do not select all. Okay, now I use this one, this load combination, and find the load combination with the wind load, and you can search for other load combination with the wind load direction 2. Yeah, now I run for this load combination, the 2 load combination. Click OK. We complete the second order load combination. Click and check the load combination. Click on load combination. There are 2 load combination, the load number 1 and number 45. Yeah, click on load combination 1 and check. This is the mode. The backlink vector is 6.92. There are 10 modes. You can check in the line setting. Yes, second order backlink, the maximum number of interaction and the total number of modes, and 10 modes. You can change it if you want to run only 3 or 4. Can change in the spot. Keep it in default and come back to the result. This is the backlink vector, or you can show it in the analyze, model and result, and change it to second order backlink. Change to the backlink vector. Select the load combination. Yes, load combination 1 and load combination 45. Notice the load combination you use in for the second order backlink analysis. Yeah. If I try to click on the load combination number 2, no result because we run on only 2 load cases in the analysis type. How you can show the result in table? Close the backlink and click on the first mode. Click on the deflection and select the load combination. Yeah, load combination 1 and change the deflection. Okay, see here. This is the local backlink of the member, local backlink of the columns. You check here. Local backlink, not global backlink of structure. Is the global backlink, it include the whole structure, and you can check it. This is only the local backlink. And now check for the backlink vector 1. Again, do the same. And you can change the load vector 2, backlink vector 2. Yes. Now let me check to backlink vector 10. This is the steel strut to improve stability out of plane of the frame, and change the load combination. You see how you can check the buckling of the structure by using second order buckling analysis in Tekla Structural Designer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.